Hello, hello, everyone. Thank you for our quick class here on 20 oily hacks where we're going to learn just some out of the box ways that we can use all of our toxic free living tools. So, thank you for everyone that's here tonight, as well as everyone that's going to watch the replay. And I pull this up, if you guys want to put in the chat where you are from, and if you're watching the replay, you can also put there in YouTube where you are watching from, and we'll go ahead and get started. So again, this is our class for 20 oily hacks. So, tip number 1, lemon is actually a magic eraser. Did you know that? You can apply a couple of drops of lemon oil to a rag and rub on crayon or marker spots and wipe it away. Hooray, it'll be gone. This trick can be used on floors, walls, furniture, and even clothes. And as a bonus tip, lemon will take gum out of hair. Energy boost. So you can add 1 drop of each of peppermint, lemon, and rosemary in the palm of your hand. Rub in a circular motion, cup hands over the nose, and inhale. These oils will give you a natural energy boost and additionally promote concentration. So peppermint and lemon, when I used to be like driving to plants that were like 4 or 6 hours away, I would actually pop like a drop of peppermint, a drop of lemon under my tongue, and that would definitely like wake me up. So this is the real deal, but you can also inhale them to get the same effect. Freshen those shoes. So add a couple of drops of essential oils to your shoes to help freshen them. The best essential oils to cover up smelly shoes are purification, lemon, rosemary, and even lavender. Deodorant alternative. So, are you out of your favorite deodorant? No worries. Use your Thieves toothpaste as a deodorant. Add your favorite essential oil like patchouli, tea tree, or lavender. And you got a powerhouse combo to get you through your day. Thieves tea on the go. So this was a new one for me. Put one Thieves lozenge in hot water, let it dissolve, and it becomes quick tea support for wellness on the go. Usually I use a drop of Thieves and maybe some honey when I'm out of town, but I have had my Thieves lozenges, will not travel without those. So this is a good one to keep in mind. Nourish your hair. So next time you think you've run out of that lavender lotion, don't throw the bottle away. Add a little water, put the cap on tight, shake vigorously, then add to a smaller spray bottle, and you got yourself a nourishing, non-greasy hair spritz. Nighttime boost. Have you ever tried orange plus basil in the diffuser at night? Give it a try to see how it supports your Z's. So I've never done that. I may do that tonight. Bright eyes. Dark circles, ladies? Try Tranquil Roll-On under the eyes to promote brighter eyes. Bonus tip, if used at night before bed, you may also experience a very restful sleep. So Tranquil is amazing for knocking you out. So Tranquil, actually, you can it's chamomile, lavender, and cedarwood. I hate cedarwood, so sometimes I'll put those 3 in my diffusers. Excuse me, that one plus peace and calming is what knocks out my nieces and nephews for sure. Stain remover. Pesky stains. Try a dab of Thieves household cleaner on the trouble spot or Thieves dish soap. Let sit for 5 to 10 minutes before washing. You can also use the Thieves bar soap, wet it, and rub on the stain thoroughly. Let the garment sit a few minutes, then toss in the wash. Quick tip for flavoring. Maybe you don't need or want a whole drop of essential oil in your coffee, tea, or favorite food dish. Use a toothpick in your Vitality essential oils and stir in to get less than a drop of oil. Carpet deodorizer. Give the carpet or rugs in your home a nice refresh. In a large glass jar, add baking soda and 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Cover and shake it up good. Sprinkle it all over carpet or rugs. Allow it to sit for a few minutes, then vacuum. Focus. You can have an enriched environment. Create the ideal studying environment enhanced with the crisp and uplifting aromas of essential oil. Before homework time, add a few drops of rosemary, sage, peppermint, or eucalyptus globulus to a diffuser. Sparkling glassware. Add thieves' fruit and veggie soak to the rinse aid compartment of your dishwasher. Prepare to be amazed by the crystal clearness of your glassware. That's definitely not one that I knew about. Quick tip, carrier oil on the go. Carrier oil can be messy, but also needed in certain situations. Keep a tube of lavender lip balm in every bag, in the car, etc., for diluting when out and about. Add a little balm to your hand, then add your oil of choice. Dryer sheet replacement. Dryer sheets are one of the most toxic products in your home. You can easily replace these with a package of Seedlings wipes. Add a wipe in with your next load to keep your clothes smelling amazing in a natural way. Whole home diffuser. Drip 2 or 3 oils over your home's air filter. Oils are great at eliminating odor. Great suggestions are rosemary, eucalyptus, or lemon. You'll have peace of mind that you're filling the air of your home with good things. Repellent on the go. So Young Living's insect repellent is great. You can add it to an old essential oil bottle and add a stainless roller top to the bottle. Just like that, you have the best little on-the-go companion for park dates, outside, pest-free adventures. Detox the underarms. If you're new to natural deodorants, you may need a healthy detox. Young Living's charcoal mask can be applied to the underarms for an effective detox protocol. Just apply, wait for it to dry, and rinse off. Stretch your dish soap. Young Living's dish soap is highly concentrated, which means with this hack, you can stretch it. Squeeze out 3/4 of a new dish soap into a mason jar to keep for later. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the bottle and add hot water. Mix up gently and scrub that sink full of dishes clean. And our last quick tip, end of the day relaxer. Give yourself a moment to relax by using a carrier oil such as V6 Enhanced Vegetable Oil Complex. Apply lavender, eucalyptus globulus oil to the bottoms of your feet. Let the worries of the day melt away.
Cool.
And that's the end of the class. So let us know if you have a Young Living hack that you would like to share or which one you want to try first. Well, alrighty. I will have the replay available if there's anyone you want to share it with. And 2 weeks from tonight, I'm doing my group AFT session, which is necessary for my certification. If you have not had AFT, you have to have it. It literally is the best technique ever. I've been having sessions myself for the past 2 years. People have them and they're just like amazed at how quickly and gently it clears out negative memories, negative emotions, negative thoughts. We're doing a grief session right now. That's 4 weeks, and like the stories that are coming out of it are amazing. So add in there's 6 different techniques to what I do in my coaching practice. So this is an experience. It's aroma freedom technique. So it was a technique that was created by a clinical therapist, Dr. Benjamin Perkis, and he has studied all alternative forms of therapy because he wanted techniques so that people weren't in therapy with him for years and years and years, and clients would have things to do in between. So he's practiced EFT, which is tapping. He is certified in NET, which is muscle testing. He's certified in EMDR, rapid eye movement. He is certified in every single technique. And once he started using aromatherapy and started understanding the science and things that he learned from EMDR about memory resolution, he created this 12-step basic process that he knows and is confident works better than any of those other processes. And
Wow.
again, like it it clears out the memories. Like when you get the thing cleared out, it's gone. So I make sure that I have my sessions at least once a month. I've had periods where I needed like 8 weeks in a row. At the beginning of the year, I actually did a 3 week like re-up with him for so yeah, it's if you know anyone in your world that's experiencing stress, you can join the class for $1 donation. As little as $1 right now. So spread the word. And I need people to experience it, especially if you've never experienced it before, and for your feedback. So it helps me out.
What's
All
his
right.
name?
Dr. Benjamin Perkis. I'll send you guys all his website. You can check out his website.
Great.
Yep. All right. Thank you guys.
I enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Got a lot of little hacks I want to try.
Yep. Yep. Have a good
Yeah,
evening.
I need to replay that was real fast.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.